Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm super excited because we've gotten in a lot of these new prisms to make sun catchers. We've got teardrops. This is a marquee shaped. We've got these points, lots of different shapes, sizes. These are all clear, but we also have them with an AB finish as well. And so I went ahead and made these two in gold. They've got little loops at the top for hanging them, and they're each a little different, but they're really fun to make to hang in the window and give you rainbows. So we're gonna do one in silver. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is attach the teardrop to the bottom of the sun. So we're gonna do that with some wire. So I'm gonna string my teardrop onto the wire. And I'm gonna have it crisscross at the top. And I'm going to have one side point up. And then I'm gonna hold this right here and I'm gonna coil around this top. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to put them right here. I'm going to bend this away. Put my pliers right here. And make a little loop. And I'm going to hold this right here. Coil this back around a few times. Cut off the excess wire. And actually I've made my loop go front to back, and I need to make it go side to side so that it's gonna line up when I add the jump ring with the sun. So I'm just gonna gently twist that so that it's lined up in the front. And then I'm gonna take my jump ring, put pliers on either side of that, and just open it up a little bit more. And then I'm gonna string on the prism and the bottom of the sun. And then I'm gonna put my pliers on either side of the jump ring and then just twist that back so it aligns up. And then from here, I'm going to use jump rings. And I think for this one, I'm gonna do a little bit of chain next. So I'm just gonna open this up a little bit wider. Attach my sun. I'm gonna do this shorter one. Attach the chain. And close that. And then from here, I think I'm gonna add these two going down and do it a little bit differently. And I don't think I like the chain that long. I don't think I need it that long. So I think I'm gonna cut off a few things. That's what's so fun about designing jewelry or sun catchers or whatever you're doing. It never really turns out the way that I completely envision. I feel like once I get started, things don't align, or I'm gonna put two beads there and I really don't like it. I end up using one. It just all changes. So we're gonna open the jump ring, attach the chain, and do this little guy. And then close it back. And same thing, to attach this, we're gonna use another jump ring. just gonna put my pliers on either side and twist that jump ring into place. It's really hard on this one where it's inside the curves. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm actually gonna hold, can you see this? I'm actually gonna hold the jump ring against the component and the pliers and just use that as leverage to twist that into place, because it's kind of a hard little spot to get in there. And then I'm gonna do a little bit more chain. I'm just gonna grab this jump ring, open it up, attach the chain at the top of the component. And twist it into place. And then from here, we're going to attach the hoop and this. And I think this could be a tad bit shorter. So I'm going to trim that up. And I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the hoop. I'm going to open it a little bit wider. Attach the chain, attach the hoop. And then we're going to wrap our point. And take the wire, string it on. I'm going to have both of these crisscross at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and have one point up. I'm going to hold it here so nothing moves while I'm coiling it. I'm just going to coil that around a few times. And cut off the excess wire. And then I'm going to put my pliers at the top, bend it, make a loop. Hold it here and coil this around. Cut off the excess wire. And then I'm going to use another jump ring. Open this one up. And I'm going to attach my chain, my point, and this hoop. I'm going to close it. Oh, that didn't quite close. There we go. And then I'm going to trim this, and then I'm just going to add this little bit at the top so that you can easily hang it. So I'm going to cut there. Take my jump ring. Open it a bit. Attach the chain. Attach the smaller hoop. And close that jump ring. And that's it. So So multiple different ways you can make dream catchers. We have tons of different stainless steel components that you can use to put in here to make these. So all the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.